Hello everyone. Today we have a new topic to discuss about, which is Arctica in satellite. Okay. This satellite is launched by Russia from Kazakhstan. Okay. And this satellite is launched by Russian space agency, which is known as Roscosmos. Okay. So this name you have to know, its name is Roscosmos. Okay. Earlier it was known as Russian Space Agency itself, but later its name changed to Roscosmos. Okay. So now Russian Space Agency is known as Roscosmos, and this agency launched this Arctica M satellite. Okay. The main purpose of this satellite is to monitor climate and environment in Arctic satellite. Okay, so this satellite will be monitoring in the Arctic region. The meteorological condition of this area will be sent to the Roscosmos, and they will be processing this data in order to understand the ongoing climate change in the Arctic region. Okay, this Arctic region is very advantageous for every countries which is having bordering with this Arctic region, and Russia is one of those countries. Russia have a long border along Arctic region, and if the ice which is along this Arctic Ocean freezes, definitely it will have access to this area also as a trade route to western area. Okay, and this area is energy rich, so if Russia is able to understand more about this area, sometimes this may be able to drain all the energy resources in this area. Okay, so that is why they are taking more interest into this project like this. Actually, this is a series of satellite. There are number of satellites in the back of this, and this is the first satellite, and second satellite will be launched in 2023. Okay, and another important point is that this is the first kind of satellite launched in order to monitor the Arctic area. Okay, so this is the first Arctic monitoring satellite by any of the countries in the world. So Russia is the first country launching such a kind of satellite in this Arctic area. Okay, so this topic is very important for us because this is the first Arctic monitoring satellite, and we have to learn and remember that this is done by Russia from Kazakhstan, and the main purpose of the satellite is to monitor climate and environmental changes in the Arctic region, and this is by Russian Space Agency Roscosmos. Okay, so keep all this point in mind. Thank you.